Let's go see. I heard them. Yep. I knew I heard them. Oh, they see the cup. Y'all see the cup? Can I eat? You hungry? Dang things ain't hungry. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. Y'all coming in earlier and earlier every day. What are you doing in the nail box? I swear my chickens are retarded. Why do you think that thing was in there? Yes, I hear y'all. Came in an hour early today. What's up, big boy? Oh, and Mama Hen actually left the baby. She has nothing to do with them anymore. Which, it's about that time. There she is right there. There's Mama. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got everybody here. Come on. Look, they know where to go. Come on. Y'all can't stop in front of me. I'm going to step on y'all. Come on. Come on, children of the corn. Everybody go in. Come on. And everybody's in here, including the babies. Good. They're getting locked in. I don't want them out anymore because Mama, like I said, Mama don't want nothing to do with them. So, and it's about that time. So she's setting again. She laid an egg today, so therefore I know she's done with them. Period. I can actually believe that. Now he's gonna stay out. Cause him and that other rooster, yeah, they don't like each other at all. So I don't want them in confined spaces. But yeah, it was a beautiful day today. This morning it was cold, cold, cold. Let me tell you. Woo. Jurassic Park. Is everybody in there? Yep, everybody's in there. Except for him. He's the only one out. Come on, son. I'll give you a little bit of feed too. Come on. Yep, everybody's in. What the heck did you just do? You're on your own now, partner. Everybody else is up. But yeah, it was a good day. Even though my carrots didn't look too healthy. But, alright, yeah, all the birds are in. All the chicks are in. So everybody will be sleeping in there. Because nobody, I think the little one could get out. The little one right there that's running this way. I think he can still get out. I hope not. But that's their mama right there. So. But, alright, y'all. You have a good day. God bless. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home. And Louisiana is actually talking about opening up some things, you know, trying to get the economy back right. I don't know how long the United States, period, can go without people working. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's pretty rough for a lot of people. But hey, y'all.